Welcome back. So, now you have experienced laying down with eyes closed, using a mantra, and sitting up in a chair with eyes closed, using a mantra. So now we're going to go one step further. And we're going to open our eyes. So we will meditate with our eyes open. And if you are one of those who are easily falling asleep while either laying down or sitting but with eyes closed, then this might help. For many though, having the eyes open is more difficult because you can see. And so there are more things to pay attention to that will elicit what I like to call reflex thoughts. So reflex thoughts are like if you watch an oven, then immediately as your eyes lay there, gets placed there, a reflex thoughts pops up, reflexively saying that's an oven, you know? Or you walk past somebody on the street and automatically some labels them. You hold a cup and as soon as you see it, you hear in your head, cup, it's blue, maybe it's dirty, you know? So when we look at things, automatic thoughts pop up that explain what they are, how we feel about them, whether we like them or not. Maybe pulling up memories from when we saw them when we were younger. And a whole ocean of different things that just reflexively pops up and we can do nothing about it. They just appear as soon as we see something. And so that's what is more difficult by meditating with your eyes open. And to deal with those reflex thoughts, you merely notice them, but you do not pay attention to them. So let's say you're sitting in your room meditating with your eyes open, and your mind says, that's my bedroom door. It's green. I do not like green. I prefer red, whatever, right? Instead of focusing on that first thought, that first initial thought that comes up that says, that's my bedroom door. Do not pay attention to it. You just hear it, that's my bedroom door, and let it pass. Because as soon as you pay attention to it, it spawns more thoughts. Okay? So the way to bypass them is not to think to yourself, oh, I shouldn't think. You know, I shouldn't allow thoughts to appear. Don't struggle with them. Everything you struggle with in life, whether it's thoughts or other things, persist and even grow stronger because you fuel the thing you resist with more energy, more attention. And so just let the thoughts that come, let them go. You just focus on your mantra. So just go back to your mantra. Every time a new thought comes, you just say the mantra over and over to yourself in your mind. And that's it. No struggle. Just the mantra. Just here. Just now. So, let's start.